Hey everybody, welcome back to Sauceman's Garage. Today we have a 2008 Jeep Compass 2.4 liter. So if you have the Jeep Compass, I have looked online for the identification of the cylinders on the 2.4 liter engine. Very difficult to find the cylinder number. So what I've got on this truck is a obdII error code P0300, which is a misfire in cylinder 4. And if you search the internet, it's kind of difficult to find where cylinder 4 is. It wasn't that easy for me. So I want to show you guys how to identify the cylinder numbers and also the firing order for the Jeep Compass 2.4 liter engine. So what you need to do, plastic cover, pull it straight up, all four corners, pops right off. And just take that, put that off to the side. And what we have here is your 2.4 liter engine. So very similar to most transverse mounted engines. Transverse mounted means it's mounted transversely to the engine, transversely to the car. So your engine's here, transmission is over on your driver's side. With this engine, and with a lot of engines, the timing chain is on your passenger side. The passenger side timing chain here, so if your timing chain is on the one side, your cylinders are counted from the timing chain over. So Jeep Compass, so we have cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, cylinder number 3, cylinder number 4. So my diagnostic code, P0304, means I have a misfire with number 4 cylinder. If I had P0303, that is misfire cylinder 3, P0302, misfire second cylinder, P0301, misfire on cylinder number 1. P0300, misfire means I'm getting misfire on all 4 cylinders. So that's how you identify your cylinder numbers. Now, the firing order for this engine is cylinder number 1, cylinder number 3, cylinder number 4, cylinder number 2. That is the firing order. So 1, 3, 4, 2 is the order of firing. If you need to diagnose coils and whatnot, coil issues. All right, that's how you identify cylinder numbers in a Jeep Compass 2008 model. If you like the video, please like, share, or subscribe, and we will see you next time on Sauceman's Garage.